Hello everyone, welcome to the training videos of Ejmani POS system. In this video, we will see how to add variations of product. So, first of all, you have to log in with your credentials and then go to home screen and then go to products and then go to variations. So, first of all, you have to add the variations like this. So, let me show you one. For example, variation as memory size. Okay, and then I will say it as a 32 GB and then 64 GB and then 128 GB and then save. So I have added the memory size 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB. These are the variations of a product. So like this, you can add the variations of all the available products at your particular business location. So, and then go to add product, and then here you have to mention the product name. Let's say, for example, iPhone 12 Pro Mac. Okay, and then unit as pieces, and then brand as Apple. And then category as mobiles, and then alert quantity as 13, and then here the business location all in one, and you can select the images, and then here you have to come to down the product type as variable. Okay, so now here you have to select the which type of variation you want to differentiate the product. So let's say, for example, memory size. Okay, and here if you have the SKU, you can add it, or else leave it blank so that the Ejmani POS will auto generate it. So here you have to mention the tax price, default purchase price of the product. Okay, default purchase price of the product excluding of tax. Okay, let's say, for example, 55,000 is excluding of tax iPhone 12 Pro Max, and for 32 GB, and for 64 GB, let's say, for example, it has 65,000. Okay, and for 128 GB it has 85,000. Okay, so and then here you have to mention the default selling price to the customer. So if it is 55,000 rupees you have purchased as a default price, and then let's say, for example, I want to sell it at 62,750. Okay, for that type, and then for 65, 74,970, for example, and then for 85,000, 96,850. Okay, so like this you have to mention the default selling price to the customers, and then the Ejmani POS will auto calculate the profit percentage of the each and every product. Okay, and then here you can save and add the opening stock. Okay, so you can mention the opening current quantity remaining. Let's say, for example, as 15 as each one, and then here you can see the total amount excluding of tax, and then here you can save. Okay, and then go to list products, and then here you can say iPhone 12 Mac. Okay, 12 Pro Mac, and the selling price will be vary 62,700 to 750 to 96,850, 45 pieces. Then here the product type will be variable. Okay, so this is how you can add the product with variations to the Ejmani POS system. So that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.